Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video of Microsoft Excel series that is currently running into my channel. You can check the playlist into my channel and also check the description box after the video ends. There you will find the link of the Excel data file which I am using in this video. So friends, in my playlist you can check my previous video. There I have showed you how to use COUNTIF formula to count cell that contains a particular or a specified text in a column. But what you will do when you have to count cells that do not contain a specified or a particular text or number, anything. Today we are going to learn that formula trick briefly. So watch this video till the end. This is your host Preetham and you are watching Technical Portal YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon to get all notifications from my channel, and if you have already subscribed then many thanks. So without wasting any time, let's begin. Welcome back friends. For your easy reference, I am going to run the OSK software, that means the on-screen keyboard, so that you can notice which of the keys I am pressing in my keyboard. Friends, in my all videos I have used this on-screen keyboard, so I think and I hope you will have no problem to observe which of the keys I am pressing in my keyboard. Friends, I have already created a file previously. Look at here friends, a data file like this where we have to provide a formula that will not count that cells which contains this character or this type of criteria. To count the number of cells that do not contain a certain text, you can use the COUNTIF function. In this generic form of the formula here, range represents range of cells, criteria represents that text that cells should not contain, equals to COUNTIF. Obviously we are going to use the COUNTIF formula here because we have a condition that we have to apply in this formula. Then you have to open the first bracket, then it is asking for range. Give the range here as B4 to B11 in my case, then put a comma here, then you have to apply the trick in this area. You have to open the double inverted comma, then put the lesser than symbol, then put the greater than symbol like this. Then you have to use the asterisk symbol. In the asterisk symbol we have to type the criteria text or number that should not contain in that range. So I am typing the text criteria here like A. Then again you have to put the asterisk symbol, then close the double inverted comma, close the bracket and simply hit the enter button. Look at here friends, it is showing as result 2. Let's check which of the cells that does not contains A character. In this cell there is no A character and in this cell there is no A character, so the result is actually perfect. If you wanna give a criteria as a number, you can do this also. Just type the formula like this, equals to COUNTIF, then open the first bracket, give the cell range here, put a comma, open the double inverted comma. At first put the lesser than symbol, then greater than symbol, put a asterisk symbol here, then write down the number, then again put a asterisk symbol, close the double inverted comma, close the bracket and simply hit the enter button. It will give you the accurate result. So let's check how this formula actually works. COUNTIF counts the number of cells in a range that do not contain A by matching the content of each cell against the pattern greater than, lesser than and asterisk, which is supplied as the criteria. The symbol asterisk is a wildcard in Excel that means match any number of characters, and the lesser than and greater than means does not equals. So this pattern will count any cell that does not contain A in any position. The count of cells that match this pattern is returned as a number. So that's all for today, friends. Hopefully you like this video and you have learned a new trick of applying COUNTIF formula in Microsoft Excel. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, share your opinion, share this video with your friends. Keep learning, keep supporting my channel and stay tuned.